Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a hotspot, where to find it and how to turn it on in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To look for our hotspot options, we have to go to the settings, then connections here, and here we have mobile hotspot. To turn it on, simply tap this box here. It's off. Tap it once. Yes. Here we have options. We can change network name. We can set up a password if we want, or one-time password right here. Let's leave it as it was. Very easy. Alternatively, if we have set up password before, our shortcut is right here. Swipe it from the top, and here we have mobile hotspot option here. Simply tap it once and hotspot is available. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.